what these lines mean is the two big lines means the word modulus, okay? And what the word modulus means is always take the positive value. For example, if I was to say the modulus of minus 5 equals 5, the modulus of 5 equals 5. You're just looking for the length of it. It doesn't care if it's minus or positive. So another example would be, if I say, what's the modulus of minus 10? What would you tell me? 10. Modulus of plus 10? 10. That's it. Okay? Now, there's two things, alright? If I said the modulus of a certain number, if I said the modulus of x equals 3, this means that the two numbers that can go in here are either minus 3 or plus 3. There's two possible answers. So x equals minus 3 or x equals plus 3. Now, to answer a question like x equals, to answer a question like x equals 3, what we'll usually do is square both sides. So when you square the modulus, you get rid of the modulus, and then that equals 9. And then what you can say is, oh, this means x equals plus or minus 3. Okay. Exactly. Yeah. Oh, sorry, plus or minus 3. Now, I'm going to show you two ways of doing this. There's one way I really favour, but the other way, it's good to know. Anyway, so the first way I'm going to show you is squaring both sides. If I square both sides, I get x minus 2 squared equals 3 squared. I'm going to get x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 9. I'm going to bring over that 9. X squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 0. Then I'm going to get x minus 5, x plus 1, x plus 1 equals 0, x equals 5, or x equals minus 1. Now remember what I said earlier. The modulus, the only two answers that can give you a modulus of 3 are minus 3 and 3. Look what happens when you put in the 5. What does it become? 5 minus 2? 3. And what happens when you replace it with minus 1? It comes minus 3. So they are the two solutions to this equation. Do you got it? Now there's another way of doing this. Okay, and here's the other way. The other way appears easier, but some people find it more complicated. What you do is, you say two things. Either 3, it has to be 3 or minus 3, as agreed, yeah? So either x minus 2 equals 3, or x minus 2 equals minus 3. Bring it over to your side. X equals 5, or x equals minus 3 plus 2, which is minus 1. There's two ways of doing it. I know that way is shorter, but the safe money is always on the quadratic. Okay, so we'll try another one that it's a bit more difficult. Okay, the next one I have is number 14. Okay, number 14. Now, unlike the last one, there's a 3 on the outside. So to do what I suggested before, the second method isn't going to work here. So what I'm going to ask you guys to do is we square both sides. When you square 3, you get? When you square x plus 1, and the other side is 2x minus 1 squared. Now, yes, gents?
You can't multiply it and then...
At the end do the modulus thing. No, just do the square out. Okay? Now, what this means is the following. It means 9 times x plus 1 by x plus 1. The other one is 2x minus 1 by 2x minus 1. And so what we're going to get here is 9 times x squared plus 2x plus 1. That's when you multiply out this part here. When you multiply this part out here, you're going to get 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. That's when you multiply them out. Okay. Now, what we're going to do next is multiply in. We're going to get 9x squared plus 18x plus 9 equals, we're going to bring over all the other stuff all over the other side now. So I'm going to bring all this over. I'm going to get minus 4x squared plus 4x minus 1 equals 0. What we're going to get now, is the following. Next one, 9x squared minus 4x squared is 5x squared. 18x plus 4x is 22x. And 9 minus 1 is 8, plus 8. Reference number of 40, because 5 times 8 is 40. Break up the reference number into 2 multiplied by 20. Substitute that in. 5x squared equals, break up the middle term into 20x plus 2x plus 8 equals 0. Factorize the first 2. Take out 5x. You're going to be left with x plus 4. Second bracket is the same automatically. And what number multiplies by x plus 4 to give you 2x plus 8? 2. Plus 2. Therefore your answer is going to be 5x plus 2. Bracket x plus 4 equals 0. Break it in half. 5x equals minus 2. X equals minus 2 over 5. Or x equals minus 4. What we're going to get here is this. Once again, just square both sides. You're going to get 3x plus 1 squared over x minus 1 squared equals 2. Square them out. It means 3x plus 1 by 3x plus 1. The bottom one is x minus 1 by x minus 1. Everybody knows how to multiply them out. You're going to get 9x squared plus 6x plus 1. On the bottom, you're going to get x squared minus 2x plus 1. It's going to be equals 2. You're going to cross multiply. Oh, I do actually, you're right. I had to square the 2 to turn into a 4. It's good to call. Now, what happens next, guys, is you cross multiply. 9x squared plus 6x plus 1 equals 4x squared minus 8x plus 4.
Is 1 by 4 not 4?
Sorry?
1 by 4 not 4?
It is, yeah. X squared by 4 is 4x squared. 2x by 4 is minus 8x. 1 multiplied by 4 is 4.
Sorry, I thought you were doing the left one.
Okay, so alright, move them over. Minus 4x squared. What happens when it turns into minus 4x squared? 9x squared minus 4x squared?
5x squared.
5x squared. What happens when that turns into plus 8x? No, it's going to turn into a plus 14x. And finally, when that turns into a minus 4? Minus 3 equals 0. Once again, do your reference number. Reference number of minus 15. Minus 15 gets broken up into the following. It gets broken up into 15 and minus 1. 5x squared plus 15x. Remember, it doesn't matter which way I put them around. Same answer comes out. Equals 0. Okay, next thing you're going to get is 5x into x plus 3 minus 1 into x plus 3 equals 0. Okay, you're going to get 5x minus 1 bracket x plus 3 equals 0. So what we're going to get is the following. We're going to get 5x equals 1, x equals a fifth, or x equals minus 3. How would you rate the difficulty of that one, lads?